Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. The research I'm citing today was published in the journal Biomedical Sciences Cancer Research in November of 2016. So the study involved a review of all the available studies looking at the link between alcohol consumption and prostate cancer in human studies. Now, over the years, studies such as the Harvard Alumni Study and other studies have suggested that alcohol consumption increases the risk of prostate cancer. But up until now, health experts were reluctant to make any definitive statements about this association until more evidence was made available. Well, the meta-analysis review in the November 2016 edition of Biomedical Sciences Cancer Research has now shown that when all 27 available studies are considered, alcohol consumption is associated with an increased risk of prostate cancer on a dose-dependent basis. That means the more alcohol you consume, the greater is the risk of developing prostate cancer. So the results of the study showed that when compared to lifetime abstainers, so compared to people who don't drink alcohol, they never drank alcohol, or they haven't had alcohol for a really long time, that low volume drinkers, so men who have up to 2 drinks per day on average, had an 8% greater risk of prostate cancer than abstainers. Whereas medium volume drinkers, men that are having up to 4 drinks per day on average, had about the same risk, about a 7% greater risk. High volume drinkers, men having up to 6 drinks per day, had a 14% greater risk. And even higher volume drinkers, men that are having 6 drinks per day or more, had an 18% greater risk of developing prostate cancer compared to men who don't drink. So this study has prompted health experts to consider listing prostate cancer among the other cancers where alcohol is an established risk factor, such as breast cancer, liver cancer, colon cancer, and cancer of the esophagus. We know that alcohol is strongly linked to the production or promotion of those cancers. So there are several proposed mechanisms to explain how alcohol can promote prostate cancer development, such as generating free radicals. Alcohol does that. Increasing estrogen levels. Alcohol does that. And interfering with the B vitamin folic acid, its metabolism. And folic acid is required to synthesize new DNA and to stabilize our genes. We know that in a low folic acid state, there's a greater risk that chromosomes break, mutations occur, and cancer develops. So alcohol interferes with folic acid metabolism in the body, leading to these types of consequences. So while future studies are needed to clarify the relationship between alcohol and prostate cancer and the exact mechanisms by which alcohol promotes prostate cancer development, I believe that it would be wise for men to limit their alcohol consumption to no more than 3 to 5 drinks per week, or don't drink at all. Remember that prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in men, and evidence suggests that up to 75% of these cases could be prevented by following more prudent dietary and lifestyle practices. So the evidence is compelling that avoiding or greatly limiting alcohol is one of the lifestyle factors that can help to reduce risk. So I've included the link to the research study as well as the Medscape review article on that study in the text below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.